Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today we have a Louis Vuitton unboxing, so let's get into it. Before I get started with today's video, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, it really does help my channel grow. I make videos every other day on Louis Vuitton content and fashion. So if you like that kind of content or simply want to see more of me, then definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get into today's unboxing. So I feel like I haven't unboxed something on my channel for a little bit over a month now. It feels like such a long time, which is not necessarily a bad thing just because my wallet could really use a break sometimes. And so today I decided to just pick up something super small. I did pre-order this item back in March of 2026, and my client advisor did say it would take about 5 weeks to arrive. Thankfully, it arrived 1 week earlier than expected. And obviously, if you're going to tell by the size of the shopping bag, it is an SLG, and more specifically, it is another pocket organizer. If you're not new to my channel, I do collect these extensively. And so, without further ado, let's see which pocket organizer I picked up this time. Before I share with you the pocket organizer that I recently picked up, I decided to share with you my pocket organizer of the day. A couple of my YouTube friends wanted me to start announcing my pocket organizer of the day or week. And so this week I switched into my green and blue heritage pocket organizer that I picked up in August of 2025, I want to say. Absolutely love this color scheme, and it has a pop of a yellow as the interior. And so I thought I would just switch into this one and start rotating a little bit more of my pocket organizers than I normally do. So I did order this one online and I did pick it up in store, and the client advisor that I was working with was so kind enough to give me some perfume samples, was so kind enough to give me some samples. So let's see what samples we got. So we got one lip balm sample, and then it looks like one perfume sample. And I was always so curious about these lip balm samples just because I think they look so cute. So I got an a Trap Rev fragrance sample, and then the lip balm sample I got is in sheer, and it's number 030, called Tender Bliss. And this is what the packaging looks like. I think these are so adorable, and I'm hoping to get a little bit more of these lip balm samples so that way I can give them to my mom and get them for her as a gift for like Mother's Days or birthdays. So I think this is absolutely cute. I will be giving this to my mom, and we'll let you guys know what she thinks. So now moving on to the pocket organizer. And so I did share a preview of this collection on my community tab. So if you've seen that post, you're probably going to know which one this is, just because I absolutely loved the unique colorway for this. And so the pocket organizer that I picked up was, any guesses? It is in this red grenade color, and it is part of their like ice cube collection because the LVs and the monogram are supposed to resemble an ice cube, and they do come in a different colorway. They do come in a pink lemonade as well as a blue color. Absolutely went with the red just because I have a lot of blue pocket organizers, and this one I only have about two other red pocket organizers in my collection. Was heavily debating the pink one, still considering it. However, with my limited capacity for pocket organizers this year, I'm being very picky now as to which ones I want to add. And so I decided that the red one will be perfectly fine and I don't need the other two. And so yeah, I picked up this guy and absolutely love the interior because it does come with a little special stamp which has the LV logo shaped as if it is a glass of lemonade or a drink of some sort, which I thought was super adorable. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. This video I'm going to be putting up on Wednesday, and then going to be changing around some things. My long form content video that I would be posting Typically on Fridays, I will be posting on Saturdays just because it is going to be a collaboration video. So I'm super excited to share with you that video as well. So I will place a short on Friday instead of my typical long form content. But the week after, we should be back in full force. And I plan on doing some tag videos that Melissa from the Right Handbag tagged me in. So I'm super excited to participate in those. So if you like that kind of content or simply just want to see more of me, then definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.